Basta he's a mayor. Definitely he's not a senator.
Pero, sir,
Mayor sa North.
Kumusta yung movement ng mayor? Nandiyan pa rin siya, sir?
Yeah, he's
pa
an
rin,
incumbent
Hindi siya
mayor.
in hiding or trying
I
to...
don't think so.
Walang mga gano'n.
The link between the mayor, the alleged lover of Mayor Alice Go.
Sir, dun sa Pogo, isa kayo sa mga actively nag-participate. And then, ang Office of the Ombudsman nag-impose na ng 6 months suspension kay Banban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo at sa ilang pang local officials.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Sa tingin niyo maganda ba itong development para talagang mas magawa yung investigation?
Well, it's a welcome development for us, especially those investigating her case here in the Senate. It's a welcome development for us that she was meted out a 6-month suspension by ombudsman, no? By the ombudsman. Para wala na siyang influence, para hindi niya magamit ang kanyang impluwensya.
Yun lang ang intention nun, huwag magamit yung influence.
Yes,
It doesn't mean na may nakita ng strong evidence.
Wala pa.
And then, will you attend the executive session tomorrow, sir?
Most probably.
Ano yung ine-expect mo na mga possible information?
Well, I do not have any information yet, but since it is an executive session, they might divulge issues or issues against Mayor Alice Go. Na siguro it might concern national interest.
And possible din na doon makita yung kanyang connection dito
Yes.
sa Pogo operation.
Most probably.
And some criminal activities like money laundering, sir?
Maybe. Kasi medyo malalim tong investigation na gagawin. Kasi yung father, yung tatay hindi na yata malocate, nasa China na yata, pati yung nanay, no, who we all think is a Chinese citizen, di ba?
Sir, are you now willing to divulge the name of mayor na sabi na nag-handle ng Pogo owned by Mayor?
Alam na ni Marlon kung sino. Basta he's a mayor. Definitely he's not a senator.
Pero, sir,
Mayor sa North.
Sir, ba't ayaw niyo pang pangalanan ko ipapatawag siya ng committee?
Huh?
Meron ka bang
Well,
request na
I just received a very reliable information that her partner is a public official. Kasi sabi ng mayor ng isang maliit na bayan sa Pangasinan. And according to my bubuit, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng POG operations ng owned by allegedly kay Mayor Alice Go doon mismo sa Bamban.
So, sir, ipinapatawag na ba yung mayor na yun?
Hindi pa.
Pero isasuggest nyo
Well,
na patawag?
if I can get pieces of evidence linking that mayor to the POG operations, then patatawag ko.
So, sir, yun incumbent ngayon, yung mayor na yun, na nagpapatakbo ng Pogo ni...
Yes. Yan ha.
Pero nga, sir, ano ba yung... Before, sir, parang hindi kayo pabor sa total ban ng Pogo. Pero ngayon na nakita nyo yung continuous criminal activities sa mga Pogo. Are you now...
Kasi yung stand ko before sa Pogo, sabi ko, dun sa mga accredited na may franchise o accredited ng PAGCOR, okay lang yun. Pero yung mga illegal, yun ang talagang tanggalin. Tsaka dapat, lahat ng mga employees ng mga POG operations, dapat more than 50% Filipinos. Huwag naman parang Chinese lahat. Yun ang stand ko.
Kaya lang, sir, ang problema, maging accredited Pogo involved sa criminal activities like
Ayun,
sa Banban.
that's a different story. Pagka accredited, kapag involved sa mga criminal activities, dapat palayasin na kagad dyan. At tanggalan ng mga prangkisa o permits.
So yun lang ang dapat pa, hindi lahat, hindi wag ipagbawal totally.
That is my opinion. Kasi first of all, pagka more than 50% ang employ mo mga Pilipino, syempre, that generates jobs, di ba? Eh, syempre, dati akong chairman ng labor, syempre, proprotekta natin yung mga Pilipino, no? Kailangan natin bigyan nga ng trabaho. In fact, meron din mga nire-remit ng mga taxes naman yung mga legal na pogo. Yung mga illegal, yun, siguro hindi nagbabayad ng mga buwis yun. Kaya, for me, kailangan sigurong alisin na yung mga yan.
Eh, paano yun, sir? Meron na ngayon 3 na i-file na proposed bill pushing for the banning of pogo in the country.
Well,
Will you support that?
we'll have to study it further.
And, ayan, Nympha.
Sir, yung mayor, would you encourage po the DILG or would you call on the DILG para investigahan na din ito? Kasi ngayon naman, sir,
If the DILG asks for his name, then sasabihin ko sa kanila.
Eh, ba't kami, sir,
Investigate.
ayaw na kami sagutin?
Hindi mo kay DILG.
sir, hindi ba hindi ko makontak ang DILG sa inyo para alamin or...
Hindi, wala. Pero palagay ko, alam na nila yun kung sino yun.
So, kung alam na dapat proactive ang DILG, sir, para hindi na para hindi na makaalis, hindi na makapag-cover up.
Well, it's up to the DILG to have their own investigation. Of course, I will not meddle with their investigation. But if they want to ask the name from me, I will divulge the name. Kasi mahirap i-divulge sa media kasi baka i-deny eh. Baka i-deny ka agad eh.
Pero,
Siyempre,
sir,
i-deny yun.
would you encourage DILG, sir, maging proactive na, magkusa na, mag-imbestiga na? Kasi nga, kung habang nasa position siya, pwede pang ma-cover up, mag-linis.
I think the DILG is hell-bent in investigating this issue, in this case. So, marami na rin silang ginagawang investigasyon. At hindi pala lagpasin ng gobyerno ito dahil this might concern national or security interest, no?
Nakuha nyo rin ba yung, kasi lagi sinasabi na may national security concern. So, ibig sabihin na nakita nyo rin yung information dun sa allegedly hacking and surveillance activities inside that Pogo in Banban?
Well, I haven't received any information yet.
Sir, hindi ba nakakabahala na yun na yung mga local officials na i-involve na pati sa Pogo?
Well, it sounds alarming for me. Well, all I can say is to call on all local officials to refrain from involving themselves in the Pogo operations.
At dahil sinasabi nga na $billion not peso ang involved sa Pogo operations, may mga pangamba na baka yung Pogo money magamit na rin sa
Election.
incoming election.
Yeah, that is a possibility. That is always a possibility. No? Yung mga iba nga, drug money ginagamit sa eleksyon. Yung gambling money ginagamit din sa eleksyon. Baka susunod yung Pogo money na gagamitin sa eleksyon. That is also a possibility.
At ganoon din posibleng nangyari kay Mayor Go o kaya nalagay siya sa
Most
position.
probably.
Okay, Myla.
Sir, just a follow-up. Would you know, sir, kung kasama sa ini-investigate na ng DILG yung mayor na partner supposedly ni yung mayor supposedly na partner ni Mayor Go? Would you know kung kasama na siya sa
I do not
in-investigate?
have any information about it.
Sir, kasi if you're still going to wait for DILG to ask for the name, hindi ba too late na? Baka too late na kasi
Hindi naman. Palagay ko, hindi naman mga tanga yung mga tiga DLG. Palagay ko, alam na rin nila kung sino yung mayor na tinutukoy ko.
Eh, tanong
Baka discreet lang yung kanilang investigation. We do not know.
As of yung latest information niyo, sir, kumusta yung movement ng mayor? Nandiyan pa rin siya, sir?
Yeah, he's an incumbent
Hindi siya
mayor.
in hiding or trying
I don't think so.
Walang mga gano'n. So, ganun siya ka-confidential? Ganun siya ka-confidential kung sa tingin nyo, alam naman ng DILG?
I don't know.
Parang business as usual,
Baka wala
sir?
yung pangalan niya ron sa nakalista ron sa pagmamanage ng Pogo. Hindi natin alam.
At yung tanong ni
Diba?
Mayor Go, gwapo daw ba? Ano yung tanong ba ni Mayor Go?
Basta siguro, I don't know, i-google nyo.
Ano ba pangalan?
Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo.
Pero, sir,
Alam mo na ni Marlon.
Sir, just, based on your information, sir, mabigat yung evidence nyo na talagang directly link itong partner.
That is why I did not pursue my line of questioning because I still have to receive additional information regarding the link between the mayor, the alleged lover of Mayor Alice Go, and yung connection niya sa POGO operations ni Mayor.
Without disclosing, sir, yung hawak niyong evidence, pero ano lang to, sir, verbal, documentary, ano yung
Wala.
Wala.
It came from a very reliable source, no, na yun nga, yung kanyang alleged lover ay involved sa POGO operations.
Pero since nung disclosure niyo, sir, wala pang additional information
Wala pa.
backing that.
Wala pa.
Pero na-share niyo na, sir, sa Committee on Women yung name ng mayor?
Hindi pa.
Dun sa executive session bukas, sir?
Baka.
Okay, Marlon.
Senator, sir, what's the danger of politicians involving themselves sa POGO operations? Tsaka again, may term na sila, POGO politics yung nangyayari.
Well, syempre, bawal yun. Once they are found guilty of engaging themselves in any operations of POGO, I think the Ombudsman or the DILG must take action on it.
Bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.